Background in education. I come from a long list of educators. I have my mom and uncle and aunt, sister, brother-in-laws, all in the education system. My true background as far as being in religious education, but I've taught all grades and also have been in higher education in university and state colleges, dean of students, director of admissions, and teaching college classes. When the Filipinos get their certificate and what we're trying to promote, trying to produce for them to help them, it's going to give them the opportunity whether if they wanted to go online and teach from their house, teach online students, if they wanted to start their own ESL school at their house or building, have private students that could do that. Also would give them certification that they could teach for the public and private schools. That's what they call an ALT. So anything within the realm of conversational English, teaching English, assisted language teaching is going to fit right into their lifestyle. First and foremost, I think the work ethic of the Filipino is to always strive to do more and do better, and that's what I've seen. Being married to a Filipina and having a Filipino family, I've seen that firsthand. I think with the fact that they can speak English already, and they have a great opportunity, a great desire to even do more. I don't think I've ever yet to meet a Filipino that's not been caring or concerned about the people around them. So I think that's a big trait. If a Filipino or somebody else wants to join in and study TESOL, to get a diploma in TESOL or certificate in ESL, we have several different centers that they can go and be involved in. And we have a center in Hamamatsu, Ibaraki, Tokyo, Shibuya, Kyoto, fixing to open up in Nagoya. We have centers in Vietnam, centers in the Philippines. So career coaching has places, as you can see, in the Pacific Rim area that are open to Filipinos to bettering themselves and getting more certification as far as within the realm of teaching English.